Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm adding another addition to my Trash or Treasure series. This is a Sears Craftsman 10-inch compound miter saw, 2 horsepower. I was out doing a pickup the other day and this saw was in a dumpster, just the way you see it. I didn't do anything to it other than putting some of my homemade rust remover on it. This is how I picked it up, and this is quite heavy. This is a heavy cast down here. Matter of fact, I bought one a couple of months ago from Harbor Freight. Didn't even take it out of the box yet. It's too late to bring it back if this works. But this looks like, all in all, it's in good shape. Why it was thrown out, who knows? Let's see if it works. I'm gonna plug it in, and I'm doing this outside, just in case we should have a little mishap. Okay, I got it plugged into the extension cord. Get the camera out of the way. Okay, let's see if it comes on. I have a piece of pallet board over here. It's not thick, but I just want to see if putting any pressure on that blade, if the motor smokes or anything goes on with it. Blade needs sharpening, but other than that, it works. And I sprayed some of that rust buster in there so I can loosen these up, make any moves I have to loosen these up. And it didn't quite go through yet. I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit. I did spray some of it down in here. Let's see, does this work? Okay, it locks. This could be tucked in. Yeah, this is a keeper. You know, okay, this one loosened up a little bit. Okay, so I can move this. All right, that has to loosen up. Let's see if I could change the angle. Have to put the camera down here. Oh, you know what? That's down. Oh. Okay, and this plate has to be worked on so I can cut at different angles. But for the straight cuts that I'm going to use to do my work in this trailer, nothing wrong with this. Goes to show you, if you see something laying around and it looks like it's in halfway decent shape, pick it up. If you can't use it, I'm sure you know somebody who could use a saw like this. Somebody that maybe needs it just for one project, or maybe they just don't have the funds. You have something to give them. If nothing else, put it on Craigslist for free if you don't want to sell it. There's somebody out there that could use it. Like I mentioned, why this was thrown out, I have no idea. Maybe the fella using it passed on, or he bought a new one, and some people just throw things out. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you found this video useful, or you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. It does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button. Don't forget to ring that bell at the end of the video, not to miss my new videos as I upload them. Until next time, stay safe.